I've had a lot of people who want to become as fair as Aishwarya Rai, and they tell me they can spend 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, doctor. We want to be as fair. Glutathione injection will make me fair. People who smoke especially, उनके melanocyte जो skin pigment होता है वो ज़्यादा multiply करते हैं. So they have a dull skin. अगर आपको कोई भी एलर्जी होती है तो जनरली लोग ब्लड टेस्ट कराते हैं जो यूजलेस है. IgE लेवल कराते हैं जो यूजलेस है. They are already exposed to a lot of chemicals using things like AHAs, BHAs, salicylic acid. Those are very active ingredients already in their routine. IgE लेवल हर इंडियन का बिकॉज ऑफ द पोल्यूशन बढ़ा हुआ होगा. मैं ये दोनों टेस्ट कभी नहीं कराती. अगर आपको एलर्जी स्किन पे है तो आप स्किन का टेस्ट कराइए. ब्लड टेस्ट से जो आएगा खाने का परहेज वगैरह वो आपको कोई हेल्प नहीं करेगा.
What is this new technology of syringe-free anti-aging?
It's basically HIFU, which is a highly intense focus ultrasound waves, completely burn free, completely pain free. Bollywood में आज की डेट में किसी को भी नोट कर लो. Look at Priyanka Chopra, look at Deepika Padukone, you name it. All of them have a same chiseled. They have all high cheeks, apples, and they all have a chiseled jaw.
You must be having patients जो complain करते हैं of a lot of hair fall at any given age. And अगर वो बाल झड़ गए, जैसे कहा जाता है कि वो रूट्स ही खराब हो गए हैं तो अब वहाँ से बाल नहीं उग रहे हैं, क्या उन्हीं रूट्स को वापस इग्नाइट किया जा सकता है?
ऐसा होता है. I've had patients and I've done it. I've done more than thousands of hair transplant and trust me, each and every is very successful. So all that is attributing. So थोड़ा chemical free, थोड़ा detox हमें करना है और stress free रहना है, तभी सब कुछ ठीक रहेगा.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dear Unconventionals. Today with us we have Dr. Dipali Bhardwaj, a renowned dermatologist who has transformed skincare through her innovations. And more recently, she has introduced a breakthrough in syringe-free anti-aging technology. Please join me as I welcome her. Welcome to the show, ma'am. And ma'am, it's a pleasure to have you on the show. And first of all, I think for our viewers also, it's a very important episode because there are very many people who struggle with dermatological issues in today's day and age, more so like today than before. So, keeping that in mind, my first question to you today is that despite so much information today available on the internet, social media pages and all, why do you think that people are still struggling so much with the issues of acne, dull skin and hair thinning? What are the common mistakes they must be making?
Well, I attribute that a lot to the Gen Z generation, like using Instagram, influencers, products. So they are already exposed to a lot of chemicals using, things like AHAs, BHAs, salicylic acid. Those are very active ingredients already in their routine. They're doing CTM. Then we are in the most polluted city of the world. If you're living in North India, then the kind of air that you're breathing, as WHO has already declared, it's like really quite toxic and poisonous, which is going to lead to dull skin due to lesser oxygen in our body, skin and tissues, which leads to further diseases. So people must stay away from chemicals. And I feel as a practicing dermatologist now with more than a decade plus experience, this is the most common cause, chemicals, which you're adding more, which is avoidable.
You mentioned that there is so much of pollution in today's time and age. What are the effects that pollution today has on your skin and hair specifically?
Pollution per se can of course lead to dull skin, pigmentation, hair fall, hair turning frizzy. You say that, oh, it was always straight and suddenly it's getting frizzy with age. That could be because of pollution. And of course, breakage and frizziness is because of that. But besides that, very importantly, I've seen people having allergies now, which is on an advent. And with the allergies is also coming skin cancer. And, skin cancer, when we were students back in 2005, it was so rare to see a skin cancer in India. Now in Defense Colony, I'm able to get one skin cancer every 6 months. Back in 2005, I used to get one skin cancer in the government hospital once in 6 months. So it's definitely on a slow creep. And probably even the reason of lesser vitamin D deficiency, which I think is a silent epidemic. Every alternate person walking is having, in India, is probably having vitamin D deficiency. So that is also because of the greenhouse and the pollution. So you can imagine how a vitamin can be deficient from the largest organ of the body, which is skin. So अंदर क्या क्या हो रहा होगा, अंदर कितना कुछ मिसिंग चल रहा होगा, right?
Right, exactly. Frizzy hair, आपने बोला कि pollution की वजह से भी होता है, लेकिन how much does like genetics has a role to play in this? Somebody having naturally beautiful hair, you're saying pollution can make it frizzy?
Yes, of course, if, of course, genetics do play a huge role. You're totally right, Shivangi. But with pollution, what's happening is, especially with pollution, I'm not saying just the air and the hawa, it's also the chemicals. The youth is after those shampoos and they'll change. अभी beer shampoo आया, अभी onion shampoo आया, अभी influencer से ये shampoo सीखा है. So I meet those kind of people every day. And then the best is they'll go to the salon and do keratin, botox, etc., etc. All that is chemicals which is going to lead to change of your root structure. So genetics एक तरफ हो गया, एक तरफ आपका जो pollution और chemicals जो आपने pollution खुद ऐड की और एक pollution जो inevitable है हवा का. So वो आपने ऐड करके और स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ काफी हद तक है मेट्रोपॉलिटन्स में लोगों की. तो वो सब का जो चर्निंग है उसकी वजह से ऑफ कोर्स हेयर स्ट्रक्चर इज चेंजिंग. And I see it is even personally, I feel it's changing for me. So personally also I've seen the pH level of scalp is completely changed. You know, I've personally faced it. So I now as a dermat can recognize what's happening, why there is itchy silent scalp. You know, there's always कि बिल्कुल सब कुछ बढ़िया but ऐसी itching है, कोई डैंड्रफ वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. कलर करा के आओ तो एलर्जी है. So all that is, you know, attributing. So थोड़ा chemical free, थोड़ा detox हमें करना है और stress free रहना है, तभी सब कुछ ठीक रहेगा.
तो क्या ऐसे मेन स्ट्रीम प्रैक्टिसेस हैं जो people should know about for their skincare and hair care?
Well, I feel most importantly that less is more. So don't overdo it. Okay. Number one. Number two, never get out or never even in the mornings, even if you're indoors, skip your sunscreen, even if it's raining, even if it's a snowfall. Number three, never sleep with makeup. Okay, if you're a lady and you're doing wake up, never sleep with your makeup. You have to remove it. If you're a man, you have to wash your face and sleep. That has to be the basic rules. If you really like your CTM, don't do it every day. You're going to lose out on the natural oils, natural skincare. So please do it maximum 3 days a week, which is alternate day basis.
Right.
So these are simple basics, which I would say. And eat healthy, drink water, have some green vegetables. Yeah.
Of course, बचपन से जो बोला जाता है.
Yeah.
आपके पास कई सारे लोग कई सारे तरीके की मतलब डर्मेटोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए आते होंगे. सो आई वांट टू नो दैट व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द मिसकंसेप्शंस पीपल हैव ऑफ डर्मेटोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स जो आपने फेस किए होंगे.
That's a very good question, but people really come with strange expectations. I've had a lot of people who want to become as fair as Aishwarya Rai, and they tell me they can spend 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, doctor. We want to be as fair. Glutathione injection will make me fair. So I may be being more religious or spiritual or whatever, but I'm unable to lie, and I tell them clearly that even if you give me 1 crore, you cannot become that fair. So that's one myth which is very common. Number two, people also believe that with Botox, they can really remove their wrinkles. It is not removal, it's reduction. Number three, I see a lot of people having false hope with pigmentation also. They believe that if they'll spend more on products, spend more on treatments, their pigmentation can go. You know, there is a limit till where these treatments can help you. The problem is not outside in, it's inside out. So you really need to be a good patient. I have always said and felt and really committed this in my profession that it's not just a good doctor, it's a good patient. You have to follow what your doctor says, all the advisory to the T, and then not get influenced by others, be it your chemist or your gym friend or anybody. You have to do what she or he is saying and follow it to the T.
Right. You spoke about, interestingly, about glutathione injections. ये एक अपकमिंग सा ट्रेंड है जिसमें लोगों को लगता है दैट अपॉन यूजिंग देम दे विल गेट लाइटर स्किन और दे विल कम फेयर, something like that. But I've also heard that this trend is actually quite harmful. Can you tell our viewers and break some kind of a notion that they have in mind that suddenly their skin will change with this, and what is it all about?
Shivangi, it's not harmful. Provided it is a good product, it's a good company, and the doctor knows, he or she knows what dosage to be given. Secondly, the only harm it can have, because you're giving, you know, IV intravenous dosage of a good kind of a vitamin, which is an antioxidant, then it shouldn't be that you're overloading on the kidneys. So only the kidney check has to be done by your practicing doctor. And yes, you're right. In India, in Delhi, I've seen we are the only country which has seen side effects of very safe procedures in cosmetic, because there is no control by the government of some kind of licensing. So beauticians, beauty parlors, non-doctors, allopathic, Ayurvedic physicians, everybody is doing our work. You know, so dermatologists are per se trained. So if glutathione injections are being given, there's a particular dose. There are particular companies which are, you know, having approval. Because you must know that glutathione दुनिया का सबसे potent antioxidant है. So all it will do is it will just clean your system. So आपका वो जो हम pollution से कहते हैं ना, धूल मिट्टी लग गई, तो वो अंदर से शरीर में भी आती है. It is very interesting. People who smoke especially, उनके melanocyte जो skin pigment होता है वो ज़्यादा multiply करते हैं. So they have a dull skin. And this has been documented scientifically. John Hopkins study has proven. So जो smokers होते हैं, vape या hookah जो youngsters करते हैं, those other options which are more dangerous actually.
Right.
So they all lead to, things like lead, chemicals, nickel, chromium, all that is released. So that can further lead to deterioration and dull skin. So glutathione will help you remove those melanocytes clean, so it will not have a side effect. अगर कंपनी अच्छी है, ठीक से लगाया है, डोजेज ठीक दिया है डॉक्टर ने, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली अगर आप रेगुलरली ले रहे हो तो कुछ डोजेज आने के बाद अकॉर्डिंग टू योर बॉडी वेट आपका किडनी टेस्ट होना चाहिए. दैट्स इट.
राइट. स्किन कैंसर आपने मेंशन किया इसी में, तो स्किन कैंसर आज की डेट में काफ़ी मतलब प्रेवलेंट होता जा रहा है सैडली. व्हाट इज इट दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर early detection, या फिर what should people look at and consult their dermatologist maybe immediately?
Shivangi, I'm feeling that you're really taking out interesting questions for your viewers from my talks. And well, skin cancer is definitely, most importantly, keep your vitamins in check. Vitamin A, vitamin D, जिसकी body में deficient होता है, उन्हीं को ज़्यादा chances of cancers होते हैं. If you have any moles and any of your mole is suddenly turning painful, and you suddenly feel, okay, you have a mole and it's become double the size in last 5 days or 7 days, in a very short brief period of time, you should get it tested or get it removed.
Right.
And if there is any bleeding on a mole, that's also a sign of that it could be turning into skin cancer. Unfortunately, if it's misdiagnosed, death can happen in next 1 to 3 months. It doesn't have ways to control it. It's really, if it's a severe kind of a skin cancer, it's quite fatal. Also, precancerous skin lesions could be seen around the lips and on the tongue. So if you see any of this kind of changes, it's a good idea to go to a dentist, or any which ways people who are having high stressful life, living in metropoles, using phone, Bluetooth, chemicals in your body, it's a great idea to visit a dentist once in 14-15 months. So,
Right.
Yeah, so you have a regular checkup.
क्या स्किन कैंसर क्योरेबल है आपके हिसाब से?
Absolutely, अगर टाइम पे डायग्नोज हो, मुझे तालीम लेने में अपनी 12 साल लग गए. So I actually studied for that long. So what I'm trying to say is science is really quite advanced now. So, and I, being a science student and a believer and coming from a family who believes, I think science is wonderful. Today there is a treatment for everything. We just have to reach on time and we have to follow. I've actually met patients who don't follow. They just do doctor shopping, or not for such a serious thing, but for other things they like to do, and then they'll not follow. Then they expect कि बस डॉक्टर को मिल लिया, दवाई खरीद ली, रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं होता. It's your effort. The patient
Consistent
has to.
होना पड़ता है, I'm
yes,
sure.
The discipline
Right.
has to come on your side.
आपकी ट्रीटमेंट्स ने जनरली भी बहुत लोगों को इम्पैक्ट करा है इन अ वेरी गुड वे. आई वांट टू नो एट द वेरी कोर व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट दैट यू रियली बिलीव इन.
Well, I am a strong believer that skin is going to be an inside-out game. It's not outside it. And my own formula is to use at least 3 different fruits in my diet on a daily basis. मतलब red, yellow, green, या तो कोई 3 colors आज ले लिए. Then I try to infuse some purple in my diet on a daily basis.
Right.
So, purple you can get from purple salad leaves, you can get from blueberries, you can get from jamun, which is difficult throughout the year. So anything like that, purple. Purple is richest source of antioxidants. You need to drink 4 liters of water daily. So, and if I drink a coffee, then I'll have a glass of water. So I think these are common lifestyle habits which everybody must do. If you want to live healthy, you don't want to be a liability to others at 65, 70, you must do it. It's not just for skin. Skin आपका mirror है. आपका अंदर की बॉडी का सब कुछ बताता है. सो आपको खुद एक्टिव रहने का मन है कि 70-75 तक, तो ये सारी चीजें आप करिए, और इन रिटर्न आपका स्किन भी ग्लो करेगा, हेल्थ भी ग्लो करेगी.
Tell me something. I know something about your treatments, that you are somebody who not just uses the regular means of treatment, you're also a very big innovator in your field. So I want to know that you are also somebody who makes vaccines for the allergies that are there. How do you make them, first of all, and how is it different from the conventional allergy treatments that happen?
Shivangi, I won't tell you how we make it. I don't tell any of my doctor students also when they come. But jokes apart, we do a specialized test, an allergy test. We're about 183 to 193 allergens. Like we put it over here on the skin, on the arm. एक-एक करके लगाया जाता है. It's called a prick skin allergy test. That test is done instantly based on the reaction. Say you could be allergic to pollen, dust mite, anything like that. Green peas. So we'll do all of that according to your diet. It's a good big panel. जिन चीज़ों से एलर्जी आती है उनका इम्यूनोथेरेपी वैक्सीन बनाया जाता है. बेसिकली से इफ यू आर एलर्जिक टू राइस, सो वी विल गिव यू राइस इन वेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज. विल मेक इंजेक्शन, जैसे इंसुलिन सिरिंज होता है, पेशेंट अपने आप घर पे खुद करता है वीकली. The advantage which I've seen of doing this treatment for last 10 years is, the number one advantage is that patients, अगर किसी को एस्थमा हो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, या साइनोसाइटिस हो, या माइग्रेन हो, या सुबह सुबह उठ के छींकना हो, वो भी ठीक हो जाता है with the vaccine. Besides the skin allergy, after a period of 6 months, you're able to eat all those things जो आपको छोड़ी गई थी, जो आपको छपा के आते हैं बॉडी पे, वो गायब हो जाते हैं. So of course it takes time. I have had few patients. I still remember certain person used to come to me from Sikkim. So उनको 1 साल आना पड़ा. So 1 साल आके तब उनको वैक्सीन का रिजल्ट आया, and आज today she's completely allergy free, and she's quite a big shot, a busy professional, so she keeps messaging and is very happy. But you know, if somebody had to come from so far to me, that's the problem. But if you are able to sort your allergies again, because आपकी बॉडी में इन्फ्लेमेशन कम हो जाएगी, you again will have the benefit of living healthier longer. देखिए ये जो एजिंग और शरीर है ना, जैसे हमारी गाड़ी को हम सर्विस करते हैं, तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो एजिंग हो रही है, वो मेन रीजन मरना, डेथ होना, कोई भी बीमारी आने से सबसे पहले उसको कहते हैं इन्फ्लेमेशन. तो एलर्जी में या मच्छर हमें काटता है तो हमारी बॉडी रिएक्ट करती है, ऐसे बल्ब सा बन जाता है, छोटा सा उठा हुआ सा लीजन है ना, बलून जैसा. So that is inflammation. तो जितनी कम inflammation होगी उतनी लंबी healthy happy life होगी.
Okay.
Yeah. So allergies are very important to treat. And बढ़ती जा रही हैं दिल्ली में तो. That is the sad part. Yeah.
कितनी बार मैम आपके पास टीनेजर्स भी आते होंगे, एंड आई मीन प्लस ऑल एज ग्रुप्स, जो हु आर अनेबल टू ओवरकम एक्ने इश्यूज. सो होता क्या है कि कहीं कहीं और भी वो जाएं तो दे आर टोल्ड दैट यू मस्ट बी एलर्जिक टू समथिंग. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल, जैसे आपके ट्रीटमेंट से भी, टू फिगर आउट, इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं दुनिया में, टू फिगर आउट कि आप एक्चुअली पर्टिकुलरली एलर्जिक किस चीज़ से हैं? इट कुड बी सो मेनी थिंग्स, बट उसको एक टैप कैसे कर सकते हैं?
वो मेरी कला है, मैंने जर्मनी से सीखी है. सो द एलर्जेंस व्हिच वी यूज विल एक्चुअली कवर 99% or maybe more than that, full 100%, I can say that proudly now, over a period of 10 years. So एक लैब है, certain lab is there in Bangalore, जहाँ से हम allergens बनवाते हैं, और जैसे ऐसे उसको हम improvise भी करते रहते हैं रेगुलर बेसिस पे. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज हमने अपना किट बना लिया और खत्म. I've had certain patients from Bollywood, Mr. Shoaib Malik, that time he was a captain for cricket team of Pakistan. So when he has endorsed me on Twitter for this allergy test almost 10-11 years ago. But these are just small things which has happened because of friends and patients all over. So I feel कि ये टेस्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है और ये ओवर द टाइम बढ़ता जा रहा है. अगर आपको कोई भी एलर्जी होती है तो जनरली लोग ब्लड टेस्ट कराते हैं जो यूजलेस है. IgE लेवल कराते हैं जो यूजलेस है. IgE लेवल हर इंडियन का बिकॉज ऑफ द पोल्यूशन बढ़ा हुआ होगा. मैं ये दोनों टेस्ट कभी नहीं कराती. अगर आपको एलर्जी स्किन पे है तो आप स्किन का टेस्ट कराइए. ब्लड टेस्ट से जो आएगा, खाने का परहेज वगैरह, वो आपको कोई हेल्प नहीं करेगा. आई हैव मेट एटलीस्ट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पेशेंट्स जिन्होंने ब्लड टेस्ट कराया 18-20 हज़ार का, और उनकी एलर्जी वहीं की वहीं जो कि जो है. फिर मुझे कहते हैं मैम प्लीज अभी हमें स्किन टेस्ट नहीं कराना है, बिकॉज दे हैव ऑलरेडी स्पेंड सो मच ऑफ मनी मीटिंग सो मेनी डॉक्टर्स. देन दे विल से कि इसी टेस्ट पे कह दो. मैं कहती हूँ रिपोर्ट तो मुझे देखनी ही नहीं, क्योंकि ब्लड के अंदर जो एलर्जी आई है वो आप कम करो, उससे आपकी स्किन एलर्जी नहीं ठीक होगी.
सो आई थिंक मैम जो आपने आंसर दिया है, इट्स amazingly beautiful, because people should really know this, and for our viewers it's one of the most important things, because immediately जब किसी को allergy लगता है तो they suddenly run for a blood test कि इसमें सब कुछ ही निकल आएगा. But ठीक है, that's great. And fine, I also want to talk to you now about one of the most important innovations which you've recently made, and it's been doing the round and it's trending a lot, and our people should know. What is this new technology of syringe-free anti-aging? Please tell us about this new technology. How has it come about and what does it do?
This syringe-free anti-aging is like a holistic approach where we are giving you a diet nutrition plan. We are giving you 2 sessions of a certain treatment of a machine which is more than HIFU, and is basically HIFU, which is a highly intense focus ultrasound waves, completely burn free, completely pain free. मैंने अपने लिए भी किया है. I've done it over here because genetically, and शायद ज़्यादा स्माइल करती हूँ मैं तो ये बहुत डीप है. So this is going to reduce in next 1 month. So they're already lesser, जो मुझे खुद महसूस हो रहा है that skin is feeling supple and all that. And of course मेरी डाइट अच्छी है और मैंने ट्रीटमेंट अभी एक ही बार किया है. So 1 more session has to be done, and then I don't have to do it for next 1.5 years. So that is the advantage. And aging, we need to understand, is a dynamic process. रोज हमें aging हो रही है, प्रतिदिन हम बूढ़े हो रहे हैं, right? So that is another thing. So I strongly feel कि the injection free anti-aging is excellent tool. People should start at 20s. Yes, 20s में आपकी अच्छी डाइट, पानी शुरू हो जाना चाहिए, विटामिन्स, एक्सरसाइज शुरू हो जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि जो आप 20 पे हैं वो आप 40 पे होंगे. 30 पे आपको डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट से मिलके कुछ एजिंग इश्यूज डिस्कस कर लेने चाहिए कि डॉक्टर मेरी डबल चिन आ रही है, या मेरा ये आ रहा है, या मेरे यहाँ पे रिंकल्स आ रहे हैं, या मेरा हस्बैंड या बॉयफ्रेंड स्मोक करता है, मैं क्या करूँ उस वक्त. So those kind of tips. So because passive smoking is also going to lead to early aging and wrinkles. So so all of those things will add. So आपको या आपकी फैमिली में बहुत स्ट्रेस है, ऑफिस में बहुत स्ट्रेस है, डॉक्टर मैं क्या करूँ कि मेरे को एजिंग ना आए, है ना? You are having just 6 hours, 5 hours of sleep. So we can actually give you ways at that time.
Right.
So you must discuss anti-aging with your dermatologist at 30. And at 40 से पहले you should start this depending on how your skin is looking. People especially say from the hills, they age faster. Unlike us Punjabi ladies who actually are going to age slower. So, Punjab, UP, North, that way they have that benefit. The belt has the benefit. But जहाँ आप उत्तराखंड जाएं, hills पे जाएं, तो they age faster.
अच्छा, तो इसका मतलब है कि अभी अगर आप कुछ भी इनोवेशन करते हो तो यू ऑल्सो जहाँ जहाँ हो सकता है ट्राई इट ऑन योरसेल्फ ऑल्सो फर्स्ट बिफोर यू डू इट ऑन द.
Yes, I've always done that. Yeah.
अच्छा, कोई साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं इस टेक्नोलॉजी के?
Not at all. The way we've improvised this treatment, I think I'm loving the results. Injections is temporary. Shivangi, that's only going to be 3 months or 6 months. This is going to be at least 2 years.
Of course. So, and about anti-aging, ma'am, I want to know, just as a human being, what do you feel about it? Is it about controlling if there are some aging signs at an early age, जब नहीं होने चाहिए? Or what is the obsession of people? You can age gracefully also, right? So ये जो एक कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन सा लगता है मेरे को कहीं कहीं कि अच्छा अगर है तो मतलब एट द एज ऑफ 70 यू आर नेचुरली एजिंग, वो नहीं रोका जा सकता है. बट इज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी एंड योर व्यूज अबाउट अर्ली एजिंग और इज इट अबाउट एजिंग ऑल टुगेदर?
Well, I would say it's all together. It's about aging gracefully. That's how I like to address it. Because, like Shivangi, I would want आगे 10 साल बाद हम दोनों फिर से ऐसे बैठे. I might have more white hair. You might also have started a little bit of white hair by then. But we both should look the same. It shouldn't be that we have extra double chin here. ये लटक रहा है जी, ये लटक रहा है. We have to do facial yoga daily. Yeah, we forgot to discuss that. Facial yoga really helps in anti-aging for the face. Besides passive smoking and pollution से avoid करना, अच्छा lifestyle रखना, अच्छी exercise करना, body में oxygen level बढ़ाना, body में inflammation कम करना. हमने anti-inflammatory diet की आज बात करी, purple food की basically. So the more you eat purple, less inflammation in your body, which will further lead to lesser aging. Lesser aging means what? जितना बाहर कम एज कर रहे हैं उतना ही अंदर कम एज करेंगे. Okay, so you're going to live longer, healthier, simple as that. And who doesn't want to? Who doesn't want to lead a healthy life? मेरी mom हमेशा ये कहती हैं कि भाई हम चलते फिरते जाएं, 75 पे जाएं, 80 पे, no liability on any family member, healthy, fit life. That's what. And 80 is the standard, life today, where scientifically people can be very healthy and fit. तो उसके लिए काम करो, थोड़ा मेहनत करो शरीर पे, और क्या.
आप ये फिलर्स वगैरह में कितना बिलीव करती हैं? आई थिंक इट्स वो इंजेक्शंस होता है, तो आप वो फिलर्स में कितना बिलीव करती हैं?
Fillers are excellent. And interestingly, Shivangi, ये जो fillers होते हैं, they have been in the market for more than 40 years. The problem in Indian market is that there are a lot of Chinese, Korean duplicates, fake, which people are thinking there's a boom in cosmetic. तो उस वजह से जो नकली fillers market में आ गए हैं, उसकी वजह से मेरे patients को lack of information रहता है, जो मैंने साउथ दिल्ली में बहुत ज़्यादा देखा है पिछले 10 साल में. But हाँ, अगर आप एक अच्छे dermatologist पे हैं, अच्छा filler डलवा रहे हैं, they are excellent thing, they are a blessing. Please take it, please do the treatment. Number 1. Yeah, and you should take it targeted areas. जैसे अगर आपका ये सैड लाइन बन रहा है या लाफ्टर लाइन बहुत डीप है, ठीक है, या आप जैसे आप देखेंगी बॉलीवुड में आज की डेट में किसी को भी नोट कर लो, लुक एट प्रियंका चोपड़ा, लुक एट दीपिका पादुकोण, यू नेम इट, all of them have a same chiseled, they have all high cheeks apples and they all have a chiseled jaw. It's all thanks to fillers also, because everybody is having the same look, because that just looks more attractive.
आप एलोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट्स में ज्यादा बिलीव करती हैं या होम्योपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट्स?
वो तो आप जानती हैं.
हाँ, बट फिर भी कुछ ऐसा व्यू है आपका जो नहीं होना चाहिए?
I strongly believe it has to be combination. Like your body has to be मतलब आप क्या खा रहे हैं, आपके सारे जो तत्व हैं, आप क्या लगा रहे हैं, आप क्या सोच रहे हैं, that's how body is going to react.
मेडिसिन्स कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट नहीं करती हैं? अगर आपने कुछ मतलब मेडिसिन्स प्रिस्क्राइब करी हैं और सेम पेशेंट को किसी होम्योपैथ ने भी मेडिसिन्स प्रिस्क्राइब करी हैं, is it contradictory?
No, see, interestingly, homeopath medicines have a totally different way of working. And allopathy has completely different, and homeopathy works very slowly. We all know that. Allopathy will work faster. So अगर किसी को इन्फेक्शन है, वायरल वॉट्स पे लोग होम्योपैथी लेते हैं, जैसे थूजा बहुत कॉमन है, मुझे बहुत पेशेंट्स मिलते हैं, उन्हें 1.5 साल बाद रिजल्ट आता है. हमारे पास शायद ही कोई मेडिसिन है वायरल वॉट्स की, प्रिवेंशन मतलब 2-3 हो गए हैं तो और फैले ना, उसके लिए मेरे पास मेडिसिन है, मगर जितने हैं उनको गायब करने की मेडिसिन नहीं है. तो अगर पेशेंट कहता है जी मुझे तो लेजर से कटवाना ही नहीं, मुझे तो रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी से कटवाना ही नहीं, तो मैं उसको कहती हूँ आप होम्योपैथी थूजा आज शुरू कर दो, 1.5 साल बाद ये जाएंगे, साथ साथ मेरा विटामिन ए और इम्यूनोमॉड्यूलेटर ले लो, ताकि अभी 3-4 है वहीं पे रुक जाए. तो अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन आपको मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया.
सो ये तो हो गया ऑल अबाउट जितना भी हम बात कर सके अबाउट स्किन केयर. I want to know a little bit about hair care as well. You must be having patients जो complain करते हैं of a lot of hair fall at any given age. Like even the youngest of people and the oldest of people जिनको बहुत इतने गुच्छों में बाल झड़ने लग जाते हैं. एक तो I have two parts to this question कि इसके क्या apart from genetics क्या main causes होंगे जो लोग ठीक से नहीं कर रहे हैं. At the same time आप कितना hair transplant में believe करती हैं, and अगर वो बाल झड़ गए, जैसे कहा जाता है कि वो रूट्स ही खराब हो गए हैं तो अब वहां से बाल नहीं उग रहे हैं, क्या उन्हीं रूट्स को वापस इग्नाइट किया जा सकता है कि बाल आए?
बिल्कुल शिवांगी, इसमें ऊपर वाले ने ना बहुत फेयर नहीं बिहेव किया, जेंट्स के को ज्यादा लकी बनाया है. अब देखेंगे जैसे जो अनुपम खेर जी के पीछे के बाल हैं, ठीक है, वो जिंदगी भर उनके साथ रहेंगे, कोई भी उन्हें नोचना चाहे नहीं नोचेंगे, नहीं निकाल सकते. सो दोस हेयर हैव मेल हार्मोन रिसेप्टर्स अटैच्ड. So hair transplant is extremely successful in men at any age. Even at 80 अगर एक आदमी चाहे कि भाई मुझे रीमैरिज करना है, मेरे यहाँ से बाल निकाल के आगे डाल दो, ठीक है, पीछे नहीं, मुझे तो आगे दिखता है, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड या मेरी वाइफ को तो आगे के मेरी अपीयरेंस दिखती है. ऐसा होता है. I've had patients and I've done it. I've done more than thousands of hair transplant and trust me, each and every is very successful. For ladies, unfortunately, कोई पता नहीं है हमारे फीमेल रिसेप्टर्स कहाँ हैं. So हमारे जब बाल जाते हैं तो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट नहीं हो सकता, मगर टाइमली PRP हमारे बाल बचा सकता है. ठीक है.
Okay.
PRP एक सिंपल सा टेक्निक होता है, आपके ब्लड से चीजें निकाली जाती हैं, ब्लड विड्रॉ करते हैं लाइक अ ब्लड सैंपल, उसमें से कुछ चीजें प्रिपेयर करके इंजेक्शंस बना के सर पे लगा दिया जाता है. Thirdly, number one reason I feel for hair fall is vitamin D deficiency, then magnesium zinc deficiency and B12 deficiency, then using chemicals. लोग जेल और वो लगाते हैं, शैम्पूज में इतने केमिकल्स होते हैं, बढ़िया बढ़िया परफ्यूम वाले शैम्पूज लगाने हैं from an early age of 14-15. Teenage today is just using those kind of shampoos which adults are using, which is quite wrong. Then another reason is, of course, stress, pollution, smoking, which is going to aid to all of this. And lastly, most importantly, I feel the hair fall reason could also be, of course, genetic. And of course, there is lastly, which I feel is that people are not, they are going to those beauty parlor treatments, as we discussed. So lastly, it's the parlor and the cumulative effect of all of it. So you have to be very careful. अपने बालों को आप थोड़ा और healthier करिए, vitamins को ठीक करिए, chemical से बचिए, और क्या है ना?
Parlors में जो heating use होती है and everything, that's also harmful?
Of course it is, of course. And in fact जो हीटिंग होती है साथ साथ वो स्प्रे डालते हैं ना, तो वो हवा में जो एरोसॉल है, it has been documented उन एरोसॉल से कैंसर होता है. So it's quite bad. People who are living and working in salon industry, they should always be wearing mask. Ideally.
और roots ignite होते हैं वापस?
Roots वापस आ जाते हैं unless it is scarring alopecia. There are certain diseases, या कोई किसी को चोट लग गई, कोई जल गया सर पे, तो वहाँ पे स्कारिंग हो गई, स्कार टिश्यू बन गया है, तो वहाँ पे बाल नहीं आ पाएंगे. अदरवाइज हाँ, आज साइंस यहाँ पहुँच गई है, अलग अलग मेडिसिन से, लोशन से, पोषण से, PRP से, स्टेम सेल इंजेक्शन भी हम लोग करते हैं, तो उससे बाल आ सकते हैं.
Right. Okay. Great. On a much lighter note, there's something I want to know from you. You have done treatments on a lot of celebrities. So, what is the misconception that people have about celebrity skin? Because firstly, they think it's always glowing. तो उनकी हमेशा ही स्किन अच्छी रहती है. And secondly, do you think they face more challenges than the average person, or do they just have access to some high-end treatments because they have the money for it?
Shivangi, very nice question. It's not that they have the money for it. It's their profession. Like जैसे मेरा अगर profession doctor है, I have to be abreast with my medicines and everything. They have to keep their skin looking good always, and hair. So they definitely have more challenges because their life is as hectic as ours. But for common people, you need to understand कि वो जो हम वो growing years में मेरे वाले टाइम पे तो वो श्रीदेवी का वो जो सीन था अनिल कपूर के साथ, वो स्नो उसमें और वो दौड़ रहे हैं, है ना, तो we all do that स्विट्जरलैंड में जाके. So वो बाल उड़ रहे हैं. So that's not going to happen. वहाँ पे वो पूरा सेट है, नीचे से कोई ब्लो ड्रायर मार रहा है, कुछ कर रहा है, मेकअप उनका फिट है, तो आप अपसेट मत होइए कि आप जाके वैसे नहीं लग रहे हैं. ठीक है. So common man and a Bollywood person, everybody has the same skin. It is their profession. They have to have that glass looking clear skin always, which you don't even come to know कि makeup लगा हुआ है. ठीक है. Of course they spend a lot. It's their research, it's their profession. जैसे आप अपने profession में खर्चा करेंगे, तो उनको उस पे करना है. But yeah, I've had the honor and the good luck to actually treat many of them, and I feel they have biggest thing which they have with them is they really work hard on their body. दे रियली फॉलो अ डिसिप्लिन कि अगर उनको रात भर भी उन्होंने पार्टी करी है तो उसके बाद उनका जो डिसिप्लिन है ना, अगले दिन का 3 घंटे जिम करना है, आधा घंटा सन बेथ करना है, जिसका जो भी रूटीन है दे विल फॉलो इट टू द टी, क्योंकि इट इज देयर, इट्स लाइक देयर ऑफिस. आप ऑफिस जाते हैं घर से उठ के, तो उस तरह वो उनका एक तरह का रिदम बना हुआ है फॉर मेनी ऑफ दीज सक्सेसफुल पीपल ग्लोबली, व्हिच इज वेरी गुड.
राइट, ऑफ कोर्स.
Yeah.
जैसे कि आपने बोला कि एक फिक्स डाइट फॉलो करनी चाहिए. आई थिंक दे आर मोर डिसिप्लिन्ड देन द कॉमन पीपल आर, इसीलिए दे
Yes.
फेस मोर इश्यूज.
Exactly.
Right. So, also, ma'am, speaking of celebrities, one of the most common topics is about plastic surgeries and Botox that all the celebs or even common people unko dekh ke ya otherwise get done. How much do you advise plastic surgery, and do you think that this whole idea of looking a certain way is just overhyped? Or
I feel looking a certain way is definitely overhyped, and people should stop following Bollywood trends. They should enjoy. एक तो ये सब लोग फोन पे फिल्टर्स इतने यूज करते हैं, वो कौन सी एक ऐप है वो स्नैपचैट की, उससे लोग और फिल्टर से साफ हो जाते हैं, सो दे थिंक मेरी फ्रेंड ज्यादा सुंदर है, मैं नहीं हूँ. प्लीज गेट आउट ऑफ ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ मिथ्स, एंड एवरीबडी इज वेरी प्रिटी. अपने फीचर्स अच्छे रखिए. स्किन पे एक कलर होना चाहिए. आपके फेस पे अगर 2-3 कलर्स हैं तो आप सुंदर नहीं लग सकते, गड्ढे हैं तो सुंदर नहीं लग सकते, उनको ठीक कराइए. टुडे ट्रीटमेंट्स आ देर अगर आप करना चाहते हैं, और अगर आपको गड्ढों से या मार्क से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो उसमें भी मस्त रहिए. वी कॉन्फिडेंट.
right, तो आप एडवाइस करती हैं प्लास्टिक सर्जरीज एंड बोटॉक्स, फिलर्स एंड ऑल?
I definitely advise all of it. I say lesser, for going under the knife, unless it's a real, it's your fixed predicament that you have to go. Like recently, I met this young girl who wanted to get a nose job. उसका nose बिल्कुल मेरे जैसा था. So I convinced her कि मैं अपनी 40s में हूँ और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अपने nose से. आप 20s में हो, आप खुश नहीं हैं, मगर मेरी 40s तक आते वक्त जब सर्जरी करा चुकी होंगी आज, तो 40s में शायद आपको ऐसी ही nose चाहिए हो. And luckily I was able to save her because we have an in-house plastic surgeon. मुझे तो पैसे आ जाते अगर वो सर्जरी करती. But you should think and then only go. You should go for a plastic surgery probably in your 50s or 60s or 70s. You feel कि बहुत ज़्यादा aging है, बोटॉक्स फिलर और जैसे हमारा जो इनोवेशन एंटी एजिंग ट्रीटमेंट है वो उसके लिए आप लेट हो चुके हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा स्किन लूज है. एट दैट टाइम यस, गेटिंग सम गोल्ड थ्रेड स्पोर्ट्स स्किन टाइटनिंग डन मशीन से, हाँ अंदर से हीट डाल के आपने मसल टाइट करा ली, व्हाई नॉट. आपने कर लिया, you want to feel good, you feel you're going to enjoy the last leg of your life looking younger, do it.
ठीक है.
Yeah, exactly. But these things have to be planned. Yeah.
आगे ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में ये अच्छी बात है, which our viewers should also know, that if you come to ma'am, you will never be advised random medicines and random treatments just for the sake of money or whatever. It will always be genuine advice. So I think जो आप बातें बता भी रहे हो, you also stand by them. It's not just about कि अच्छा ठीक है, you have to say them on camera and for effect. So with that, I want to do something very interesting with you. I want you to debunk certain myths and of course attach certain anecdotes with it if you feel, or some facts that you think that related to that our viewers should know, because ये थोड़े notions हैं जो या तो बहुत पहले से चले आ रहे हैं या अभी recently trend कर रहे हैं. तो with some sort of anecdote with it, please tell us one by one. I will ask you. Firstly, I want to know, I have heard, myself personally, I only heard limited celebrities talk about it, like Alia Bhatt and Kriti Sanon, etc. जिनका मानना है कि सुबह उठ के there's something called घी कॉफी, कि कॉफी में आप घी डाल के लीजिए तो आपकी स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. You think it's a myth or a reality, and what is घी कॉफी?
No, actually it's a good idea. घी कॉफी या लोग बटर ऐड करते हैं कॉफी में. रीजन बीइंग इट विल बूस्ट योर मेटाबॉलिज्म. सो सी एज वी डिस्कस्ड, योर स्किन इज इनसाइड आउट ब्यूटी. आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म अच्छा है, आपकी ताकत है, आपकी बॉडी में एनर्जी हाई है, तो आपकी स्किन शाइन करेगी. So it's quite clear. And coffee is excellent antioxidant. It's very antioxidant rich. But yes, you should not have more than 2 or 3 cups, depending on the size of the cup also, I'm saying this. So you have to have fixed number. But it's an excellent habit, yeah.
So it helps in metabolism.
Yes, it helps. Okay. In fact, fatty liver जिनको हो जाता है वो reverse हो जाता है with this ghee coffee.
Really?
Yes,
oh wow!
It has been documented. Yeah.
For many people, this is actually great news.
Yeah.
So, and secondly, बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, oiling kills dandruff. Is it a myth or a reality?
Ooh, the complete myth. Sadly, it's like lipstick लगाया और आपकी lips pink हो गए, तो oil लगाया, आपकी dandruff छुप गई. और oil is food for dandruff, तो आपकी dandruff बढ़ के आएगी. So please, if you are living in metropols and pollution cities, just skip the oil thing. And if you really are in the habit कि आपको oil लगाना ही लगाना है, oil लगाइए, 10 मिनट में बाल धो लीजिए. That's what I think about oil.
So आपका मानना है कि ऑयलिंग करने से मतलब dandruff छुप सकता है,
सिर्फ छुप
बट
हाँ,
खत्म नहीं होगा.
Not at all, बढ़ेगा.
Acha.
Yes,
Okay.
that's what. Yeah.
Right.
See, dandruff is yeast which actually lives on, sweat, dust, oil. So it is food. The oil that you're applying is food for the yeast which is living on your scalp. Malassezia furfur is the name, जिसको हम common terms में dandruff कहते हैं. तो आपने oil लगाया, dandruff छुप गई, आप खुश हो गए, अरे जा रहा है, डॉक्टर क्या बोल रही है. आपने 2-3 दिन oil नहीं लगाया, dandruff double होके आ गई क्योंकि उसने उसको खाना मिल गया तो multiply करके आपकी body पे. Or it is going to be in more quantity.
Right.
So people end up putting oil for years and years and years, not realizing that they are growing yeast on their body like that.
I see. Is it the same for skin?
No, interestingly it's completely different because हमारी बॉडी पे जो माइक्रोबायोम्स एंड बैक्टीरिया फंगस जो जीते हैं वो स्कैल्प पे अलग होते हैं, बॉडी पे अलग होते हैं. सो बॉडी पे ऑयल लगाना बहुत अच्छी बात है, स्पेशली एंटी एजिंग के लिए, ग्लो के लिए. हर एज में अलग अलग तरह का ऑयल लगता है. जैसे अगर आप बच्चे के लिए देखें तो बच्चों में ऑयलिंग बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. एप्रिकॉट ऑयल, जोजोबा ऑयल आर वेरी गुड. अगर आपकी स्किन ड्राई है देन यू हैव टू यूज समथिंग विच इज मोर ऑयली. इवन सरसों तेल इज एक्सीलेंट. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड एन ऑयल विच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू मोस्ट. Coconut oil or glycerine also for that matter for elderly skin, geriatric skin is excellent.
और अगर आपको dandruff नहीं है so oiling is okay for your scalp generally?
फिर आपको dandruff आ सकती है if you ask a doctor like me.
Okay.
So ये है, so आप लगाएं और उसको 10-15 मिनट में धो लें. Because now the trends have changed. Pollution इतना है हवा में, जो सांस हम ले रहे हैं उसमें इतना pollution है. वो जो ppm कहते हैं 2.5 which is 4 times more than what it should be. So I think it's not a great idea.
What are some of the common things you have heard about skincare and hair care that you think are completely flawed?
Recently, I heard about washing face with okra water. That's a new trend, which I don't think scientifically is going to help. Or we read, Hollywood जो उसमें semen से अपना face clean कर रहे हैं, and कोई अपना वो periods का वो लगा रहा है. All this is very crap. I feel there is so much in the market and so much you can at your home and in your kitchen. So don't go for all these bizarre trends. Don't go crazy over new influencer trends कि आप ये किया. अनियन जूस, फ्रेश अनियन जूस निकाल के मैं तो अपने सर पे लगाऊंगी, मेरे बाल अच्छे हो जाएंगे. एंड आपका हस्बैंड परेशान होता रहे उस बदबू से और झगड़े हो जाएं. क्या करोगे उन बालों का? सो डोंट डू इट. एंड देयर इज सो मेनी बेटर थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू. और अगर आपको अनियन जूस लगाना है, आपका दिल कहता है, दिमाग कहता है, और हमने बात किया अगर आपका दिमाग कंडीशन है, मन जीत गया कि भाई इससे होगा तो हो भी सकता है, तो उसको दिन में लगाओ, मॉर्निंग में लगाओ, उसके ऊपर स्टीम ले लो. इंटरेस्टिंगली आप सर पे अगर कुछ इन्फ्यूज करना चाहते हैं तो लगाइए 10 मिनट के लिए, उसके बाद स्टीम ले लीजिए, इट विल गेट इन्फ्यूज ना, उसके बाद बाल धो लीजिए. यू डोंट हैव टू डू दीज थिंग्स ओवरनाइट. सो डेडिकेटेड स्टीमर्स आते हैं मार्केट में जो काफी सस्ते होते हैं, जिसको स्कैल्प या आप टॉवल से रिंग करके उसको लगाइए. बट येस, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सच काइंड ऑफ ब्यूटी ट्रेंड्स व्हिच आर completely a no and people should not fall prey to it.
Including egg and beer on your hair?
They don't work. Egg is a very good conditioner. आप उसको खा भी सकते हैं और 2 चम्मच लगा भी सकते हैं. There is no harm. But beer से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. I feel एप्पल सिडार विनेगर का जो ट्रेंड है वो बहुत अच्छा है. सफेद सिरका बेसिकली क्योंकि वो पीएच बदलता है. बियर हमारा पीएच भी नहीं बदलता. आपने डाला, आपको लगता है कि आपके बाल थोड़े से लाइवली हैं, वो आधा घंटा रहता है. ठीक है. एप्पल सिडार विनेगर लंबा रहता है. उसका रीजन ये है कि वो पीएच भी चेंज करता है, बीइंग एसिडिक. So after the whole shampoo, if you have flat, lifeless hair, you think you've heard us today and you don't want to do so much of blow dry, then simple apple cider vinegar सबसे सस्ता वाला खरीद लीजिए, बाथरूम में रख लीजिए, क्योंकि उसको पीना नहीं है इसलिए सबसे सस्ता अवेलेबल. और सफ़ेद सिरका जिसे कहेंगे कॉमन टर्म्स में, ग्लास में डाला 10-15 ml, उतना ही पानी डाला, शेक किया, उस कॉकटेल को अपनी सर पे शैम्पू के बाद डाल लिया. जब तक आप बॉडी नहाते हैं 2-4 मिनट वो डाला रहा, then rinse it off with water. It will give you more bounce, it will give you more shine, your hair will stay black color for a longer time.
Right. For more shine and more bounce, I would like you to comment on this new advertisement that's been coming out, which is the Tresemme Argan Oil. If you've heard, कि कहा जाता है कि it will give you frizz-free hair for 72 hours, and seems that this is the only shampoo जिसने कितने सारों ने add करा है, and it's the only one that seems to be helping a lot of people. Do you believe it's a correct advertisement that's been floating around?
Yes, it is, but I feel these beauty trends can be treated at home. So you can use this shampoo or any shampoo. If you want to control your frizz for 72 hours, you just before the shampooing do reverse conditioning. So मतलब पहले कंडीशनर लगा लीजिए, टिप्स पे कंडीशनर लगाया, आपने अपनी बॉडी नहाई, फिर टिप्स को क्लीन कर दिया, मतलब पूरे सर को क्लीन किया, उसके बाद शैम्पू लगाया, उससे भी आपको फ्रिज नहीं आएगी.
Okay.
ठीक है. सेकेंडली आपको ऑयल लगाने का शौक था, आज अगर आपने वीडियो फॉलो किया और अब आप ऑयल नहीं लगाएंगे, तो उसी ऑयल को आप शैम्पू करने से पहले, जैसे आप नहाने जा रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा टिप्स पे लगा लीजिए. आपको फ्रिज यहाँ लगती है विद एज, तो यहाँ लगा लीजिए, बिकॉज वो ब्रेकेज यहाँ पे फ्रिज आना शुरू होता है विद एज. तो आप यहाँ लगा लीजिए जहां जहां पे आपको फ्रिजी हेयर है. मुश्किल से 1 या 2 ml ऑयल की बात हो रही है, उतना आपने लगाया. उसके बाद आपने तब तक कुछ फेस पैक कुछ कर लिया घर पे, कुछ भी अच्छी सी चीज अपने चेहरे पे लगा ली. मौसमी फ्रूट खा लिया, थोड़ा सा 1 चम्मच लगा लिया. दैट्स व्हाट आई पर्सनली डू. और आपने फिर अपना स्कैल्प रिंस किया, शैम्पू कर लिया. सो आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि यू हैव टू यूज दोस एक्सपेंसिव, जो आप देखिए ना कोई भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट पे कितना खर्चा होता है टू मार्केट इट. यू हैव एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल इन योर किचन ऑल्सो विच यू कैन डू.
Right. Great. And ma'am, even today, with so much of technology that has advanced, कुछ भी ऐसी disease है that is irreversible or not curable even today, unfortunately?
वेल नॉन क्यूरेबल में बहुत कुछ आता है. अगर स्किन में ब्यूटी में देखें तो मेलाज्मा, आई हैव ऑलवेज फाउंड इट अ चैलेंज. से इफ आई हैव ट्रीटेड 1000 पीपल, 700 ठीक हो गए, 300 पीछे रह गए. एंड उनको मैं पहले ही दिन बोल देती हूँ कि ऐसी बीमारी है, मैं नहीं बता सकती आप ठीक होंगे या आप पीछे रह जाएंगे. So, and interestingly, allergies have never failed. Hair transplants and all have never failed. Acne is the easiest thing for any doctor to do.
Skin psoriasis?
Yeah, skin psoriasis is today very much curable. Again, but unfortunately, इसका जो सबसे last रामबाण होता है, the most best and the blessed treatment it has is quite costly. So कुछ नहीं काम करता है तो हम उसको biologic injections दे देते हैं. Excellent results. There are certain injections which
at any age, किसी को बहुत टाइम से हो, क्या वो मतलब कभी भी अब क्योर हो सकता है?
Exactly. उन इंजेक्शंस की बस एक ही कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन होती है कि उस पेशेंट को कभी भी ट्यूबरक्लोसिस ना हो. और इंडिया में ट्यूबरक्लोसिस 1 in 4 people को हुआ होता है. So that is a challenge which I feel, but to say it for my Indian patients. But then biologics is really going to help you with psoriasis कि वो पूरी बॉडी से इतना सा 1 रुपए का सिक्का जितना आपका psoriasis बॉडी पे रह जाएगा, और वो 2-3 साल में आप उस पर कुछ दवाई लगाइए. That's it. So it's very good. Yeah. Today science has really unraveled into, it's quite mystic and it has really reached a lot of success. I feel that stem cell is going to be the next thing. कि लोगों को डॉक्टर्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, उसने स्टेम सेल इंजेक्शन लगाया, 2-3 साल बॉडी फिट रहे. सो दोस थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू हैपन इन आवर लाइफ टाइम. आई कैन सी इट.
Wow. Hearing your answers, I'm seeing that dermatology is really like pushing the future. What is next in your kitty, and what are the innovations that you're working on that will be upcoming? What is the future of dermatology from here on?
I really want the non-injection anti-aging to pick up. So I'm really trying to advance it into some things which can actually really make your visage look younger for a longer time. I really pray that I can do something for pigmentation which is not very costly, because we have certain treatments which are excellent results, but they're very costly. So I hope that I'm able to do something on that aspect.
Right, great. And ma'am, what are some of the lessons you have learned in your career as a dermatologist in such a long span of time?
I think lessons is what my mom, my guru has taught me, is ABC: availability, behavior and competence. कभी कभी हम डॉक्टर्स भी थक जाते हैं, हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स हमारा बिहेवियर ठीक नहीं होता है. सो विद एज आई हैव रियली रियलाइज दैट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि कोई भी पेशेंट आपके पास आता है, दे ओपन अप, दे टेल यू सो मच अबाउट देयर हेल्थ इश्यूज. सो आई थिंक ABC for any doctor is very important.
So those are some of the lessons that you also follow to the T.
Yeah, this is like a guru mantra. Lesson is just be very frank to your patients. Simple as that. I have always practiced that. So honestly, many of my patients, including you today, I've seen after so many years and looking pretty young and successful lady today. So I feel they've become friends and we've all, mutually respected kind of a relation. And in my profession, there is a lot of very high attrition rate. I have been blessed that if I see 1,000 people, out of that, I feel 90% come back to me. So that's just because of being frank. So I think my biggest lesson is that I just have to keep my ABC proper, and my patients are the best. Yeah.
So, okay, ma'am. So before we wrap up, we do something very interesting with our guests, all our guests. So we are going to just pull you into that as well. This is our fun segment. It's top 3, and it's a rapid round. So there'll be 3 questions, and you can only give us 3 pointers for each.
Lovely.
Okay. So you're ready. So my first question to you is 3 tips for a healthy skincare routine.
Okay. Eat healthy. With that, drink a lot of water. Put sunscreen and put a night cream according to your skin.
Okay. 3 favorite items of yours that you don't step out if you don't have it in your bag. Your favorite.
My sunscreen, my bottle of water because I don't take plastic, so bottle, glass bottle, and my phone. But for a skincare, on a serious note, if it's for a long trip, then I always have to keep a rose water or some spritzer.
3 facts in your career that you learned that you were actually surprised by.
Facts, I would say is, I feel you have to be, with time I've realized that you don't have to listen to your patients. You still have to stick to your guns and be very honest to them. This cannot be cured. This cannot be treated with money, number 1. Number 2 lesson that I've learned in my career is that there is so much of competition and sadness that there are a lot of non-doctors who will speak ill. So you have to get over it. You should not feel upset or bend down. And number 3 lesson is that I feel that you just have to stay focused and keep reading, because a lot of times I've met patients who know more than me about a certain thing. So I actually dedicate now, few hours every week where I have to read and stay abreast with the latest.
Wow, that was quite rapid. Thank you for that. Okay, now we are done with our fun segment. I want you to talk to our viewers and tell them if there's anybody out there struggling and they are dealing with some persistent skin conditions every day. What is your one message to people like them?
Okay, if you're having a persistent skin condition, be it an autoimmune skin disorder like psoriasis, lichen planus, or atopic dermatitis, or you're having hair fall, number 1 is that you need to get your blood levels tested. आप जिस भी लैब से पहले करा रहे थे, लैब बदल के करिए ताकि लैब का साइड इफेक्ट आप पे ना आ पाए. Secondly, you need to get into the habit of drinking more water, having some black coffee, having different color fruits every day and dry fruits every day. You must for sure, lead a very healthy lifestyle, with which I mean 15 to 20 minutes of cardio daily. That's really important, come what may. And you must do a 10 minutes of hobby daily. This is what I tell everybody with any skin disease. Hobby could just be singing. Mere jaisa besura, jo bathroom mein gaa leta hai, can't sing publicly, I really have a bad voice. So do whatever makes you happy basically. Do 5-10 minutes ताकि आपका heart rate भी relaxed हो जाए. जैसे होता है ना कि 60 पे आ जाए आपकी heartbeat. So you will be able to help yourself, from a lot of health issues.
Awesome. And finally, ma'am, my last question. One message or one piece of advice in a line that you want to give to our viewers today who are wanting to take care of their skin and hair in this fast-paced world today.
For your hair, do the home remedy we discussed यहाँ पे, apple cider wali, how to do. Always wear a sunscreen. SPF 26 is enough for Indian skin. Apply it 15 minutes before going in the sun. Reapply it every 3 hours if you're in the sun. Never sleep with dirty face. Always wash your face and apply a night cream or serum according to your skin type. Whatever be your stress, जब आप लेटते हैं, try to get rid of it. तभी वो आपकी body को replenish करेगा. रात को आप जो भी face पे लगाते हैं, it's like food for your skin. So you should always put something nourishing and sleep happy. This is the basics, I would say.
So guys, hope you've duly noted this. And Dipali ma'am, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
This has been a pleasure talking to you, and thank you for your time. Being incredibly busy, you managed to take out this much time for us. Thank you so much. And thank you to all you guys watching out there, and I'll see you next time, next week on the next episode of Dear Unconventionals. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and do use the tips. Leave your comments below if it has worked. Thank you so much. See you guys.